As I'm making my way around my apartment, decluttering, one of the last bigger areas I have left is my kitchen, and so I'm going to be doing that today. And I'm going to start with my fridge by taking out expired things, decluttering it, and cleaning it and restocking it since I just went to the grocery store. This is disgusting. I don't do well with spice, and this is spicy and I'm not a fan. I personally feel like the fridge is pretty easy to declutter because I am just getting rid of the expired products, and I personally don't keep much food in the fridge, just a week-to-week basis of what I need. To add some spring cleaning into everything that I'm doing today, I am going to clean this. I have seen and used Windex on stainless steel before, and that works good, but I don't have Windex, so I'm gonna see in a little test area if my glass cleaner that I just have would work. I probably didn't even put this in the frame because I just decided to do it at the very bottom. I'm having to let it dry, and honestly, I don't know if it looks great. No. It is very streaky, and hopefully just this normal cleaner will get rid of those streaks, or at least just make it clean. It's probably honestly going to be a whole lot more streaky, but at least it is clean. Okay, that is mega streaky. I'm definitely going to have to look into a product to use because this looks bad. And I know I'm gonna have to buy a product because I don't have any stainless steel specific cleaning products, I don't think. And I do not think I'm gonna be cleaning the cabinets because I used this last time at my old apartment and it made the cabinets so streaky, so I think I need furniture polish or something that doesn't streak. So I think I decided I'm just gonna work my way this way around the kitchen, but I haven't done the pantry, I forgot about that. I don't think that will take that long, so Gonna go ahead and do it. This is so hard to film because my pantry is so narrow and I'm out front of it, covering the whole thing. This shelf has a lot, but these are so nasty. I'm basically gonna try to make this shelf more organized without even having any other organization bins. I really don't think I succeeded that well. This shelf is still kind of a mess. I just have so many nuts and seeds and I don't know what to do with them. Not much changed, but I have been trying really hard to not buy stuff that I wouldn't use completely, and so this is how it is, and I eat this food, so it works for me.